Hello. So, for the first couple of weeks of the class, we were learning about how there's different types of well being and how those types of well being affect our daily lives and can influence us in different ways to kind of make us a person that we are today. There's different aspects that we have to consider ourselves and how we kind of maintain our body and how it affects our future and our future health. It's really important to exercise because exercising is basically the key component to being able to live a happy, healthy, standard lifestyle. This is also affected by nutrition and making sure that you eat healthy foods and get the amount of protein and calories that you need to sustain in a day. Because in order to sustain in a day, that affects our brain and our creativity, our mood, and our energy levels, and a lot more. Um, when we take care of ourselves and our own well-being and nutrition and exercise and kind of our own mindfulness and making sure we're in a healthy, happy place, we're able to kind of go out and be able to do a better job at school because we're able to pay more attention or work. We're able to make more positive connections with other individuals and meet new people and make new connections. It also allows us to be more creative and consider ideas that we haven't thought of before. And when we take care of ourselves now, it helps us when we get into an older age. And especially when we're in an older age, it's important to maintain exercises that are appropriate to you and your body because you don't want to strain your muscles. It takes longer to heal when you're older, and when you're older, kind of tend to get depressed or you're more prone to getting depressed because you feel or you can feel that you have a lack of purpose. That can be because of the limitations that your body is able to do. So essentially, the assignments that we have done in the past say that fitness is extremely important and is kind of the base of living a healthy lifestyle that affects our brain chemistry and our motivation to go out and fill our day and socialize. Being active now will affect our future and the possible health problems that we could face. Um, yeah. So for my first image, I have um, the image of our wellness model, and then I have a picture of individuals exercising in different forms. It doesn't necessarily uh, matter how you exercise as long as you're exercising. Then I have the pillar with the appropriate amounts of types of food that you should be having, like dairy, vegetables, fruits. And then I have a heart with different other healthy options. A group of individuals kind of socializing, they're smiling in a positive work environment and working together, um, allowing their creativity flow, like the next image, um, being able to spread and express your ideas. And as you do that, you will make social connections and continue making those connections when you get into an older age, as well as exercising just with modifications.